Welcome to MunroMotors.com. Here we have a 2017 Mustang GT 350 Shelby. Beautiful car. This one's got the convenience package, navigation, all the goodies. Beautiful stripes from the factory. And let's have a look in the trunk here. Yes, it has the cover with it. There it is right there. Here is the original factory window sticker for the car. So just over $80,000. And got wheel locks and the front license plate bracket right there. Here in the seams, you can see it's absolutely perfect, just beautiful. Let's close the trunk here. Look at the stripes. They're the Ford blue oval with the black pinstripe down the side. Factory stripes, of course. And of course, they're metallic blue. So good looking car. Nice dual exhaust out the back with that dual mode exhaust. So pretty awesome. Let's go now and check out the passenger rear wheel. Painted rotors and painted calipers. We've painted the calipers red and touched up the, cleaned up the rotors, I should say, because they're titanium or something. Nice looking rotors. So they run free so that they cool faster so that you can stop faster. This one's got the side skirts, the upgraded interior with the Alcantara seats, power passenger seat that you see there with the nice baseball stitching. Lots of room in the back seat here for 2 passengers, and the seats do fold down as well if you want to put some stuff in there. Have a look in the door frame there, just like a brand new car. In the glove box, there is a place for the books, but there are no books there. So there aren't any with it, but they are available PDF online. So it's got the beautiful Shaker 500 sound system with lots of speakers there. There's your Alcantara on the door panel. Great design. And up at the front here, here's your your passenger front wheel, no curb rash, painted rotors, painted calipers, Michelin tires, absolutely fabulous. Under the hood is that flat plane crank 528 horsepower V8 engine designed by Ford Performance. And of course it is signed right here by the builder, built with pride by Ford. Great engine. They're having a lot of fun with this. It is a super engine that runs from 2,000 RPM to 8,000 RPM, full of torque all the way. It is an incredible machine to drive. So have a look in there, just a thing of beauty. Let me now close the hood and just show you the front. We'll see what's up there. Yep, no stone chips to speak of there. Have a look. It is in great shape there. We'll just go down the front here and check it out so that you can see no bruises on the front air dam there. Fog lights are all good, headlights are good, fabulous. Here's your front wheel, no curb rash, no issues, painted rotors, painted calipers. I like painting the rotors red, I think it looks fabulous. Here's the back one, same thing, Michelin tires, Pilot Super Sports, lots of rubber, lots of brakes, ready to go, just 8,000 kilometers. On the driver's door, you've got power windows, power locks, power mirrors. On the on the steering wheel, you've got Alcantara, which is that suede-like cloth, which matches the suede-like cloth on the driver's seat as well. You've got a power seat with multifunction, I'll just show you down there. It's got a multifunction lumbar support as well. So let's fire this one up, shall we? Push button start. We'll just close that for a minute so that you can see it's got the track apps there. It's got the factory navigation. It's got the exhaust, dual mode exhaust. So if we open this now, and then we'll flip this to sport mode, and now you can hear it's awesome, just absolutely fabulous. That is a lot of fun. So you've got your lock control, line control, you've got navigation there, heated and cooled seats, automatic air conditioning, your adjustable suspension right there, adjustable steering wheel feel right here, then you've got your steering wheel controls. Over here is your cruise control as well, and more controls for the buttons up here. So I'll just show you, this operates this, which you can change here. Window launch control, exhaust mode, shift performance indicator, all your track apps are right there. Track only, it says. Well, we know. Nice 6-speed manual transmission. The sync, so you've got Bluetooth for your phone, and a super comfortable car. You've got your oil pressure gauge up there and temperature gauge added as well. Fully automatic headlights, and have a look in the door frame as I'm getting out. It's just like brand new. It's a gorgeous car. Here it is from that angle. Good looking machine. No scratches, no bruises, no dents, no scrapes, no issues. Just a perfect car. Same down that side, as you can see, there's nothing. So there you have it, folks. That is a 2017 Mustang Shelby GT 350 with that flat plane crank V8, 528 horsepower. So much fun with the dual mode exhaust and the handling performance suspension. It's here and available at munromotors.com. Come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. Hey, I look forward to seeing you real soon.